What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be talking about my turbo kit that I'm currently offering for sale, and I'll talk about what I have done to the motor, the trans, and we'll put the car on the dyno. So this is my 2009 Honda Accord. It's a 6-speed manual. It's J37 swapped. Right now it's a stock motor, other than the fact that I have ACL rod bearings. So it's the standard bearings from P2R. The heads, I have BC Racing Stage 2 cams with Supertech valve spring and retainers. Other than that, it's a stock motor. It's nothing done to it. Stock bottom end, stock rods, stock pistons. So that's about it for the motor. For the trans, it's a TO Type S trans, a 07 to 08 TO Type S with the LSD. So I don't have the Accord trans. The Accord trans has a 3.5 finer drive, which makes the gear a little shorter, but with boost, the longer the gears, the better. So that's about it with the motor and the trans. This is the turbo kit. This turbo kit is fabbed up by me. It's all done in house here. So this is my first turbo kit, and I've been testing this kit out. Make sure it's gonna hold up before I start offering it for sale. If it's something you're gonna be interested in, make sure you hit me up on Instagram or leave a comment down below, and I'll reach back out to you. It's a cheap turbo kit. Depending if you have a TL or you have the Accord, you're looking at around $4,500, which I feel like it's a steal for what you get. It's a max spin rod turbo. Even though it's cheap, this turbo has been holding good for the last 8,000 miles, so I have no complaints for it. I don't think I need a $1,000 turbo, guys. Like, this stuff has been holding good, so there's no complaint about that. The intercooler is pretty efficient. The charge pipe, the wastegate, everything works on this car. I'm gonna be putting this car on the dyno tomorrow, which is gonna be November 8th. So today's currently Friday. I'm putting it on the dyno on Saturday, and I'm estimating the car to make between 450 to 500 horsepower, which I feel like that's plenty enough for what I need for this car. It's my daily driver. I don't need the most power out of this car. If I want to make more power, I can turn up the black one and make way more. So I'm just keeping it safe with this motor, and this is just like my little daily and my show car. So I'm fine with 450 to 500, which I feel like a lot of you guys will probably want the same. I'm pretty sure y'all not shooting for 1,000. It's a nice kit. If you want it, make sure you hit me up. Also, the car is currently tuned on E85. It's street tuned by Dan from Etunez. If you need a tune, make sure you hit him up. I'll leave his link down below. So the next clip you're gonna see is gonna be me putting this car on the dyno, and we'll see what the car makes, guys. So peace out.
shit fast as fuck, boy. That shit fast as fuck.
It should be.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Do another call?
Yeah.
more.
That should been more. Bro.
465, bro.
Damn.
What
how
the
much
Damn.
That's nuts, dude.
Right? Made it a little more with the valve open.